Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 5th of September 2020 question. Question number 1. If the line x minus y is equal to a and x plus y is equal to b are tangents for y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, then a by b is equal to what? This is the question in the house of coordinates geometry. At first, y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, a parabola is given here. So let's draw the parabola first. Here is the parabola which is given. This is the parabola. And the two tangents are given here. So here is the one tangent and another is perpendicular on this tangent. So it is just like this. It is perpendicular to this first tangent and it's 90 degree. Obviously, touching point P, it is x1 comma y1, and here is another point another tangent which touch the parabola, it is Q, x2 comma y2. Slope of this tangent is equal to m1, that is equal to 1, and another slope is m2, that is equal to minus 1. So now equation is given, which is the parabola's equation, which is given here, y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. So now derivative, taking derivative first for first tangent, this tangent. So dy dx is equal to, we know, 2x minus 3, and at the point P, f dash x, where the point P, then it is x1 y1, so it satisfies this, so it become 2x1 minus 3. This is the slope, and the slope is given here m1. Slope, we know slope is equal to m1, so that is equal to 1. So here we get x1 is equal to 2 here. So if x1 is equal to 2, then we say this a point must be satisfied this equation. So y1 is equal to x1 square minus 3x1 plus 2. So point x1 y1 which is P satisfy parabola, as it is the tangent, so it is obviously on the tangent and it satisfy. So y1 square is equal to, we may say, x1 square minus 3x1 plus 2. Now putting x1 is equal to 2, so it is 4 minus 6 plus 2, that is equal to 0. So the point P is equal to 2 comma 0. We get this point, and this point is on the line, obviously x minus y is equal to 1 a. So P point satisfy x minus y is equal to a. That implies it is a is equal to, we get 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. So like this way if Q point Q point is on the another tangent and it satisfy this tangent, so getting derivative once again we get 3x2. So once again this point satisfy, so we get f dash x at the point Q, 2x2 minus 3 is equal to, we know once again it is slope of the parabola -1, so it is -1. That implies x2 is equal to, we may write it is 1 here. And once again it is also satisfy, this point satisfy the parabola as it is on the parabola. So y2 is equal to, we may say 3x2 square minus x2 square minus 3x2 plus 3, so plus 2, and so we say it is 1 minus 3 plus 2 and it is 0. So x2 is equal to 1 here and y2 is equal to 0. So the point Q point is 1, 0, and this point satisfy this line. So it satisfy the line x plus a y is equal to b. So here we get b is equal to 1. So we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1, and question asks a by b. Therefore a by b is equal to 2 by 1, that is equal to 2, and we reached, it is our required answer. So I think this is a moderate types of problem, and if we plot the picture and then calculate, it is easy to calculation. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.